Alright everybody, we're back with the microwave. The last time we put one iPhone XS battery in this thing and it blew up. So we figured, you know what? Let's see what happens if we put 5 iPhone 11 batteries in here. So we're just gonna go ahead and throw these in here. Oh, let's keep it on the plate. Alright. How long? Minute? 2 minutes?
Let's do a minute.
Let's do a minute. Oh boy. Well, it appears to be that this microwave is not cooperating. We're gonna have to take it in for an investigation, and we'll see what happens.
I'm gonna watch right here safely from a distance. I don't want to get blown up.
Well, the other microwave wasn't working, so this one should do. I'm gonna take these 5 batteries, and let's see what happens. Oh boy. Wait, what? It blew the motor for the... It just blew the heat. I don't know what... You see that little explosion inside the microwave motor?
Take a step back?
Yeah, probably step back a little bit. So we just stuck 5. We just stuck 5 batteries in this microwave. Go check out the YouTube video. Go check out the YouTube video. It's on fire. I'm gonna keep it going. We just stuck 5 batteries in this. Oh my god.
Shit.
Oh my god.
We might have to use a fire extinguisher.
I'm gonna grab the fire extinguisher. We just stuck 5 batteries in this microwave.
It definitely does not smell good. It's melting the screen.
We just stuck 5 batteries in this microwave. Go check out the YouTube.
It's a lot of smoke. We definitely don't want to breathe that in.
I kind of want to turn it on again. I was a little scared too a second ago. It could. Oh my god. Alright, stop. 2 minutes. Wait, 2 minutes. Whoa, shit!
It said don't puncture, dry. It didn't say don't microwave on, right?
It didn't.
So I don't think we're breaking any rules.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's torched. Oh my god.
Oh my god. It's an
Back up a
inferno.
little bit. Back up a little bit.
Oh my gosh. I think we fried the microwave.
Yeah, it's definitely a little toasty.
Fire just came out of the back of it.
What do you think of that, Nick?
You're fucking crazy.
My beer. Well, that was pretty crazy. I'm glad the fire department didn't get called on us, but you know, we did have the fire extinguisher. I don't want to breathe those fumes in. But yeah, we're gonna let this cool down and we're gonna check back on it later. I'm gonna move out of here so it doesn't blow up on me. Dude, this thing is all warped and bent out of shape. Look at this. It doesn't turn on anymore. Oh boy. Wait, did it? Woo! not trying to lose a hand here. You know, doing it for the gram, for the tube. I do it for you guys, so you don't have to. Yeah, so again, and I will reiterate this time and time again. Do not, for any reason, stick your phone or a spare phone battery inside your microwave. It is not a good idea. This will happen, and it might blow up. Alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll keep pumping these videos out there.
That looks sick. I just took a fat vape hit.
Blowing clouds, bro.